Hey guys, so we have gotten another one of the Overstock items in the mail. I did open the box to check it because it was breakable, so let's see what I got and see you soon. Sorry. Okay, sorry, it's a long day. I got off work a little bit ago. So this is one of the Overstocks I've been waiting for. I think there is 2 left that didn't come in like they were supposed to. It is packed with the styrofoam, which you could always reuse for something else later. And what I got were these Ramekins. I don't know if you can see that very well. We're going to open it up completely. So they are wrapped pretty well. Looks like they have some sort of cellophane and then like little foam inserts. So this is what the Ramekins look like right here. And then the inside. I got these ones because I like to do things like flan and stuff like that, and I thought that this would be the perfect little self-serve size. I also want to do other things that would require this. This would also be really kind of cute for a like a tiny pot pie kind of concept if you wanted to do it as like a side instead of a main dish. That'd be kind of cool. I am going to get some bigger ones, maybe even taller, just so that way I can have the pot pies and stuff like that in these, but these will do good for especially desserts and stuff like that. So I like them. They're all the same color roughly. I mean, they do vary in shades of blue. They are made out of porcelain, I do believe, or they're StoneWare. So they're from the brand Vancasso. I don't know if you can see that down there. So they are oven safe, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and cold safe. I'm not sure if they're referring to just the fridge or if you can put them in the freezer, but they seem to be good for all scenarios. I have 6 of them in total, so they came as one set of 6. They packed them in this cute little like foam brick is what it looks like. So if I can get this other one out. Tip it up. Is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. Okay. So yeah, it's just in there like that pretty much. And then they were sitting in those little holes. Ugh. So yeah, that goes kind of with the rest of the cooking stuff that I have. I have a few other items that I'm waiting. Again, they're all cooking related. Other than the 2 I showed at the very beginning. In a different video. So that's what I got from Overstock. These are really cute. I'd have to go through and find where the receipt is for them, but other than that, they weren't super expensive, even not on a sale of any kind. It didn't seem like they were super pricey. They are kind of fashionable in a sense, so that raised the price a teeny bit. You can get plain white ones. Those seem to be a lot cheaper, but I kind of wanted something that would go with the theme of my kitchen, so I got these. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing them as much as I did. None of them are broken, which was very nice, and I kind of like this one down here, which is like super dark blue. That's really cute. So I'll see you guys on the next video. I wanted to keep these short because they're just kind of like my intro to you guys seeing them. I do plan on doing videos with using them, so hopefully you guys get to stay around for that when I put those up. I'm not sure when that's going to be though. But like always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!